साल तुरु तुरु उडती केस भुरु भुरु डाव्या डोळ्यावर बट ढळली.
So what do you have to say about the show, about
So Girl in the City begins with the second chapter, and we are all very very excited about it. We are not going to reveal anything. Meera can probably, we left it at a cliffhanger where Meera has to decide whether she goes back to Dehradun or she stays back in Bombay. And you will know in chapter 2 what she's decided.
किस तरह से कितनी अलग होने वाला है ये, कितना अलग, क्या कुछ नए एलिमेंट?
मुझे ऐसा लगता है अलग मतलब सारे कुछ नए कैरेक्टर्स ऑब्वियसली इंट्रोड्यूस होंगे उसमें. और हमारे जो कैरेक्टर्स हैं, जो कार्तिक है, मीरा है, समीरा है, अगर वो आते हैं इन द सीरीज, देन वी ऑब्वियसली वी आर ऑल गोना बी ग्रोन अप और थोड़े से मच्योर. एंड एज मीरा आई कैन डेफिनेटली से कि थोड़ी सी वो सेमी हुई होगी, मतलब नॉट एज crazy and not as oh my god I don't know what to do. She now knows what she wants to do, and she will she's pretty sure of, like, she's headstrong about it. And so those are going to be those minuscule changes of and it's going to be more fashionable for sure.
अच्छा, मीरा के किरदार में जैसे कि आपने कहा ऐसा चेंजेस है, तो वहीं उनकी इक्वेशन जो है विद हर पार्टनर, वो किस तरह कितना कितना बदलने वाला है?
कार्तिक कार्तिक को अब जॉब मिल गया है लंदन में, जैसे हमने देखा था. तो इट्स दे आर इन अ लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस रिलेशनशिप, so they will be facing those issues, but let's see. I hope it gets better for them.
Series, how different is it from shooting other?
I always think that preliminary, on the most basic level, I don't think there's a difference between web series and films, and camera is camera. Acting different होती है कैमरा और थिएटर में. Otherwise there is no I don't find any difference, because prep वही होती है. हम प्री प्रोडक्शन प्रेप करते हैं, पोस्ट प्रोडक्शन करते हैं, सारा कुछ वही होता है. I think web as a medium is just more accessible, and I guess that's why it makes it easy. And because we are all clickbait, एक click से हम we are reaching out to global audience. So
exactly. Part 1 जो chapter 1 था, that was a super hit. तो थोड़ा प्रेशर था कहीं पर, ये था कि अच्छा ये ऐसे करे ऐसे ना करे इन chapter 2
के लिए आई डोंट थिंक वैसे कुछ प्रेशर रहा है, क्योंकि ये रियल लाइफ स्टोरी, मतलब रियल लाइफ में रिलेटेबल स्टोरी बतानी है मीरा की. रियल स्ट्रगल्स बताने हैं एक लड़की के जो एक दूसरे सिटी में आके रह रही है. तो वही होगा उसमें. इतना मतलब अगर ऑडियंस को कुछ पसंद आता है तो वो अभी भी पसंद करेंगे, अगर नहीं आता है तो नो मैटर व्हाट वी डू वो दे विल नॉट लाइक इट. सो I mean, we've tried our best, and our humble efforts are still going to be on, and we hope you all enjoy it, and we are really really waiting to meet all of you. So
okay, आपने क्या डिस्कवर किया है about the city while shooting for the series?
I think it's a very magnanimous city. मतलब अगर आप मुंबई से ही हो तो आपको वो रियलाइज़ नहीं होता कि what the difference is when you come from a small town and living in a pool of millions of people just in one city. मतलब you're walking on a busy street, and there's one elbow, punching you here, and as opposed to when you're in Dehradun, how many people are you going to see on the street, right? So these are the minuscule differences, that it's such a nightmare to be traveling by our public transport, rickshaws, to learn the lingos. You don't see, I got to see all of it from a very different perspective, क्योंकि ये सब तो ये तो हम बात करते हैं, जैसे दिल्ली में जुगाड़ ऐसे बोलते हैं जैसे वो उनका लिंगो है. मुंबई की अपनी लिंगो है. तो
कुछ सिखाया मुंबई की कोई स्लैंग कुछ कहना चाहेंगे मुंबई में किस तरह?
मैं भूल गई हूँ. द वर्ड दैट आई लर्नड and I've only forgotten. I can't recollect right now. I'm blanking out.
Okay, lastly, anything to the fans?
Please keep loving us. Please keep watching us. We're going to come back. All of you are waiting for us to come back, and we're finally going to come and meet all of you, and we hope that we don't disappoint you. And if there is anything that you expect from us, please do let us know. If there's something that you are expecting from the chapter 2, it'll be quite interesting to know your point of view as well. And we hope that you enjoy it, and keep watching and keep loving.